All right, so this is the how it looks from the inside, having the flush mount glass. So this gap right here that we see used to be, this is filled in with the urethane that is holding the glass, but as you can see, it's about 1 inch. So what I did is I had to remove my interior panels and then just go ahead and put down a piece of leather to hide it. I mean, it looked awful. I wasn't happy with the way it looked. I'm not too convinced still with it, but I had to hide the urethane. I mean, it was a big gap going all the way around. So just keep in mind that if you do the flush mount glass, you're gonna have to do something over here to hide all the urethane. I mean, it may not be a big deal for everyone, but to me, which is like I have an all leather interior, and then you know, it looked like crap. Anyway, just wanted to share that.